I don't think we as a team thought we would have a pitch this nice become available this year. Hello and welcome back. My name's Sham here at the Waterside Holiday Group. Let me show you around this front row Willerby Portland Lodge here at Chesil Beach Holiday Park. Before I take you into the holiday home, let me just tell you that you have 7-foot front decking with 6.5 foot on the side. These views speak for themselves. Imagine relaxing out here with a cup of tea, coffee, glass of wine, whatever you like. So the first thing you see before you get blown away with that view is on your right, you have fantastic storage. So huge cupboard space there. So some of the key points in this beautiful lodge is that you have an under counter fridge freezer, you have a full-size dishwasher, and you have a washing machine. The reason why I wanted to tell you about these features is because this holiday home is a residential spec. What that means is the fixtures and fittings and the insulations is actually built to a residential quality. Not that you can live on park 10.5 months of the year, but if you spent time here in the winter, you will be nice and toasty. Taking you into the front room now, you have a pull-out sofa bed in place. You have 2 freestanding armchairs. You have a lovely TV unit with an electric fire. And to finish off the front room, you have these double doors leading out onto that beautiful balcony. One thing I want to point out, this holiday home comes with a TV, pots, pans, cutlery, crockery, everything you can need. But with a view like that, would you actually spend much time watching the TV? So here you have a 4-seater dining table. 2 of you have beautiful views over the sea, but I just wanted to point this out as well. You have another seating for 2 at the breakfast bar. Taking you to the back of the lodge, you have this nice door that shuts off the front to the back. The first door on your right is your toilet, wash and basin, and a walk-in shower. The second door on your left is this stunning, large second bedroom. You have got 2 3-foot wide single beds. And if you just come and have a look in here, you can see you've got plenty of wardrobes and drawer space, as well as a space for yourself to get ready. And taking you to the master bedroom, not only do you have the door that leads you into your own walk-in wardrobe, you have a lift-up ottoman double, which gives you more storage space. And then to top it all off, you have an ensuite bathroom with a bathtub and overhead shower. If you would like to come and view this lodge for yourself in person, click the link below or give us a call on 01305 836 836.